Namaste, my name is Dr. Khizra Ahmed, founder and director of DigiFinite Solutions Private Limited. DigiFinite Solutions Private Limited was previously known as Khizr Technologies Private Limited. So the main motive of calling this press conference today is we are going to launch an app by name Shubh Vivah, which is a matrimonial app, and the launch date is 14 Feb 2022. I hope you people remember this year we had given you an app by name Chatbuzz on 14 Feb 2021, which was a great success for DigiFinite Solutions. And with that, we are also launching one more app, education app, that will be next Christmas in 2022, which is an unnamed app. We are still in talks with the managing director, the CEO, CFO and all. We are running a special Christmas and New Year offer, that is from 6th December 2021 to 5th January 2022, where we are offering 50% discount on all services. Now let me brief you people about our services. We are into website designing, corporate training, mobile app development, digital marketing, software development and desktop applications. So please make the most of this offer. And one more thing, we are selecting some internship candidates from all colleges. We are offering all colleges free internship for students, since the universities have made mandatory for some third sem and final year students to have internship in corporate companies. We are offering free internship also. I want the education institutions to make the most use of it. Yeah, that's it.
So what are the features of the app, sir?
Of Shubh Vivah app, is it? Yeah, features of Shubh Vivah app, we have seen other matrimonial apps in the market. We are giving the same features. We have added one extra feature in that, where the users can add some stories also. You have seen Snapchat, the stories of Instagram and all. We are adding some more features in the app. And with that, I don't want to reveal all the features as of now. You people, this will be like a suspense for everyone, and I want you people to come to the event. We'll be informing you depending on the COVID cases and all, on all protocols. I want you people to come over there, join us, install the apps and make the use of the app, whatever services we are giving. What Shubh Vivah? See, we have our own team who are working on this. I'll be discussing all this in the next press conference. Whenever I'll be doing the next press conference, I'll be giving you some strategies. Like let me tell you some things. We are making some promo videos. We have developed some banners and all. We'll be circulating this through our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, Instagram page. I request everybody to follow us on @DigiFinite Solutions on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We are available on all social media platforms.
Can you brief us on free products for education institution?
Yeah, since education institution, all the education institutions is the major sector where they have got loss due to this COVID-19. We will be offering them, after discussion with my team, we will be offering them 6 months of free websites. Let it be any kind of a website. We'll be offering them free website for 6 months, and with that, if they already have a website, if the school or college or preschool or degree college, if they already have a website, we will be giving them free 6 months maintenance.
What has been your biggest challenge during launching Shubh Vivah?
The biggest challenge today is COVID, Omicron virus, right? So we have kept fingers crossed. Nothing should happen. Our app should launch properly. Each and everyone should be benefited from the app. This is what is our motive. Any more questions? Fine. At last, I thank all the press media. You people have left your work and you have come over here, and you are a part of our company now. I thank all of you for giving me a wonderful time over here. I have a great team. I thank my team members also who are working and giving us background support also. Our Managing Director Dr. Prabhakaran, who is also working on some things. We'll be revealing it in the upcoming press conferences. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.
I am Dr. Prabhakaran, Director, DigiFinite Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. We offer various IT solutions like mobile app development, web design and development, software development, digital marketing, corporate training, both in terms of technical as well as soft skills. In fact, we have a special drive towards our launching of Shubh Vivah matrimonial services. For this, we offer special discount offer from December 6th to January 5th. We offer discount of up to 50%. So public can take these services.